Hi friends, will you help me stack these animals as we learn their names and colors? Let's do it! Our first animal is the color turquoise. It's an elephant. Our next animal piece will go right here. Can you help me find it? Okay. Does this go here? No, not quite. Let's try this. Almost, but not right. Let's try this. Yes, that's the right fit. This is a tiger and it's the color yellow. Let's put the pieces together. Nice! The yellow tiger puzzle piece fits perfectly on the turquoise elephant. Now, let's see what fits on top of our yellow tiger. Do you know? Let's try this piece. No, too small. How about this one? No, that shape doesn't fit. Oh, I know, this one. It's a match. This is a hippo, and it's the color purple. Let's place the purple hippo puzzle piece on top of the yellow tiger. That looks good. Now, what goes on top of the purple hippo? It should fit right here. Let's see. Will this fit? No. How about this? Not quite. I know. Let's try this one. It's a match. This is an alligator, and it's the color green. Let's add our green alligator puzzle piece to the purple hippo. Oh, look how tall our puzzle is. I wonder who's next. Let's see. Is it this piece? No. How about this? Not this one. Then it must be this one. And look, a perfect match. This is a whale, and it is the color pink. Let's add our pink whale to our alligator puzzle piece. What goes on top of our pink whale? Let's see if this fits. No. Then it must be our fox. This fox is the color blue. Let's put our blue fox on top of our pink whale puzzle piece. And our last piece is our turtle. This turtle is the color orange. And it goes right here. We did it! Great job! Let's remember the names and colors of our animals. Starting with our elephant, the color turquoise. Next is our tiger, the color yellow. Our hippo, the color purple. Alligator, the color green. Whale, the color pink. Fox, the color blue. And turtle, the color orange. That was so much fun learning colors and animal names. You are amazing! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.